Hey everybody, welcome to my hotel room tour of the East Miami Brickell Hotel in downtown Miami. This is one of my favorite places to stay in Miami. It's located right in the heart of downtown and within walking distance of some of the best restaurants, bars, and shops in the city. The hotel is essentially connected to the Brickell City Center where you have stores like Pandora, Zara, Joe Malone, Saks Fifth Avenue, Apple, etc. You get the point. In this video, I'll give you a tour of my room and all the things that I like the most. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more hotel reviews and travel tips.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.